Hi, welcome to Patong, Phuket, Thailand. It's a Saturday, 3 p.m. Really nice day. It's really clear skies. Usually it's rain like at the end of the day or in the morning for like about an hour. So just expect that. Over there is Karon Kata Beach, and then that's Patong Tao, and then Tri Trang Beach, Paradise, Pidom Beach, and Molin Beach on the other side. That's Royal Paradise. That's Andaman Beach Resort over there, and then Kali Beach, Kamala Beach on the other side. And this is all the hotel resorts and all the apartment rentals along here. So this is Nanai this side, and then Banzan Road over there, and then this side is the Sai Nam Yen Road right here. So let's go check out the city of Patong. Beautiful day. This is the apartment we rent for 12,000 baht for the month. We have 2 days left here. So they clean the room once a week. Just have to pay your power and water. That's it. So not much. I gotta do my laundry before we leave for Bangkok soon in 2 days. So let's go to the laundromat. Go to the laundry express. Take about an hour. So down there is Sai Nam Yen Road down there, and then cut to Phuket Town on the other side. Very beautiful. And they have this is the other one is 12,000. This is 10,000, and this is 8,000. So depends on your budget. So most of the places about 8,000 per month. That's the power meter. It's 8 baht per unit, and then water is 20 baht per unit. You probably pay like about 2 or 3,000 baht for the whole thing, so not that much. So we're heading down doing the laundry for take about an hour, and then we head out. Then if you have money, you can spend on the hotels over there. That's the Rock Elegant over there. So depends on how much money you have, how much you want to save, like that. So most of the apartment is about 8,000 baht, 7,000 baht. Really nice place. So apartment you can cook outside. Hotel you cannot cook. So you stay long time better than apartment guest houses. So. Out here is all the parking, and then they have lounge here, security, everything. This is the Misuk place. Out here is Nanai Road, and 5 minutes walk that way is Banzan Road, and then on this side is Sai Nam Yen Road. 5 minutes that way, and the laundromat over there, Laundry Express. It'll take about an hour washing the laundry. And then here they got all kind of street foods, really cheap street foods everywhere. Motorbike taxi everywhere. All you need is just a motorbike like this. You can get around for 200 baht a day, or you can rent one for the whole month, 3,000, 4,000 baht. Make sure you have the international driver license, because you don't, the police stop you, you have to pay 500 baht like that. So. All kind of food, noodle house everywhere here. 7-Eleven over there. Sanam Yan Road. This is the laundry express right here. So we're gonna do the laundry here. It's about an hour washing the laundry. Oh, so first you gotta go. Sorry, Kap. First you have to go change some money. They have the coin dispenser here. Put in your box and then get your coin. Take about 50 baht wash, 50 baht dry, or 60 baht. We got a coin already. So we gotta get the soap, detergent 5 baht. So put the coin in. And 5 baht. So we got the 2 already. That's cool. So we're ready to pick up the washer. So it's 60 baht for wash. So we got the different size. So 27, 15, 10 and a half. So mine is probably 10 and a half. So we use a 10 and a half. So this is a 10 and a half. 10 and a half is 50 baht. So really cool. And then that one is 60 baht. And then the other one is 100 baht for the big one. Oh, really simple, Thailand. Everything available. Just load the laundry. Oh, sorry, Kap. How are you? Somebody using all these. Oh, this one is open. You okay? You okay? Oh, you want this one? I give you that one. I take the only 10 baht different here. I give you an extra 10 baht. Here.
You,
I give you 10 baht. It's only put in. Yeah, it's paid for 10 baht. It's only 10 baht different. Just waste of my time putting it
I
back.
have written what you
It's okay. Mine's the same. Only 10 kilogram. Okay. You're welcome. Yeah, it's only 10 baht. You know. It's only 10 kilograms. So not like you have a lot. Yeah. So we got the laundry. Put the soap in and then. Take about 30 minutes, 25 minutes, so we're good to go. Close this. Put the soap. So this one has the soap at the bottom. Oh, right here. It's tricky. This one at the bottom, so I gotta looking for that. So cut that. Yeah. Put that in. More, another one. Very easy, simple, fresh, clean in 1 hour, 30 minutes. Yeah, that's done. So we got to put the coins in. 50 baht. 1, 2, 3, 2 more, 4, 5. Yeah, then you pick cold or hot or warm. Cold, start.
ถุงเท้ามันเปียกแน่
25
ๆ
baht.
ถุงเท้าเขาเปียก
35 minutes. So
ป้าไม่ของหนูที่ว่าเอาของผู้ชาย
spending already.
เลือดเหรอ
So these are all the different sizes. So then the dry on this size, 50 baht, 60 baht, dry, so really cool. So welcome to Laundry Express in Nanai Road.